Hello, good morning. Welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important CSIR classical mechanics question. We are under the central force motions. Under the central force motion, so many questions I told you. Now we are under the collision part. So there is a two-body there in according to your syllabus. So this question belongs to the collision. Yeah, collisions in the CSIR. Which syllabus it is? Collisions. So two body collisions. That is one dimensional collision question I have to take. Once we have to see what data they are giving in this question, you have to take. A ball of mass m initially at rest. One ball is, suppose if you have to take, this is the surface of the earth, you have to consider the which one you have to consider here. This one you have to take it as a surface of the earth, you have to consider this one, you consider as a surface of the earth, you have to consider. Now one ball is there, so this ball is at rest, you have to take this ball is at rest is there. So the ball of mass m initially at rest means that is u is equal to 0. Initially at rest means u is equal to 0. It is dropped from a high from the at the 5 meters height is there. If the coefficient of restitution is the coefficient of restitution, one more data that given, the coefficient of restitution is equal to 0.9 they are giving. So then what they are asking, the speed of the ball just before it hits the floor, the speed of the ball just before it hits the floor, the second time is approximately. So just before the hits, what is the speed of the ball in the second time is approximately. Second time, so what is the speed they are asking? First you have to take one kinematic equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2gh. So v square minus u square is equal to 2gh. Therefore v square is equal to 2gh. Therefore v is equal to square of 2gh. So this velocity is the first velocity when ball is hitting to the surface. So that velocity we call it as a first velocity, or what we have to take that velocity we have to consider as a v1 is equal to square root of 2gh. So square root of 2gh. So you have to take 2, they are giving the water. G is equal to acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. H is equal to 5 meters. Now you simplify this one, 10 into 9.8. So 10 into 9.8 root is equal to, you have to get 9.89 meter per second. So this is the V1. Which one we have to take? V1. Once you have to drop the ball, so that the velocity, final velocity is equal to how much velocity is there? 9.89 meter per second velocity is there. Clear? Now what is our ultimate goal? After hitting, the velocity will be, after hitting, suppose it is coming, the ball is the surface of the earth. So how much height is there? H height, that is the 5 meter height is there. So the ball is first coming and hitting. So after coming and hitting, the ball should be rise with v2 velocity, correct? So the after the hitting, right? After the hitting, after the hitting, we have to write the velocity will be. After the hitting, the velocity will be. The velocity will be. The after the hitting velocity will be, they gave the restitution, that velocity is equal to v2 is equal to, what is going to write? E into v1. So what is the E? E is the coefficient of restitution. The coefficient of restitution, therefore v2 is equal to, 0.9 is the coefficient of restitution, 9.89 is the v1. So now you have to multiply, you able to get 8.91 meter per second you have to get. This is the v2. So before the first time already the collide, second time they want to collide. Now what is the velocity? V2 is equal to, this is the second time velocity, it is ready to collide with the floor. So that velocity is this is the velocity hitting before the second time. The velocity, this v2 is nothing but the velocity hitting, which one we have to write? The velocity hitting before second time, velocity hitting before second time, before second time, before second time will be, before second time will be same as v2. Before second time is same as v2. Once you have to see the question, what is the question they are asking? The speed of the ball just before it hits the floor second time. The speed of the ball just before it hits the floor second time. What is the speed? That speed is equal to v2. So what is the v2? V2 already we discussed. V2 is equal to 8.91 meter per second. What is your answer? 9.80 is wrong. 9.10 is wrong. 8.91 meter per second you are getting. So this is the speed of the ball just before it hits the floor second time is approximately, it is the speed of the ball just before it hits the floor second time is approximately 8.91 meter per second, right? So please, this is my teaching style. All mathematical topics I told and I uploaded in YouTube. This is the live class only I took. Now the classical mechanics courses are going on. Once you like my teaching, you go for the app. My app is uh, Quantum Online Academy app. The symbol will be like this is there. This is the Quantum Online Academy app. Go to the Play Store from your Android mobile phone and you download it and you install this app. Once you have to log in, so then you go to the stores. In the stores, our courses will display like this: CSR and GATE physics course, JL physics course, and DL physics course. Please remember, only content only, not paper one. So CSR mathematical methods of physics, individual papers also we started. If you want to take only mathematical methods of physics, you have to take the mathematical methods of physics. If you want to take the classical mechanics, you have to take the classical mechanics also. Now the classical mechanics live classes also is going on. These courses is live plus recorded, live plus daily 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So there is a core class is going on in our app. This is not in YouTube. In our app, there is a class going on daily 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Now we are running course is classical mechanics course. Clear? So once you take the CSR and GATE physics, it will be useful to all the JL, DL, and Polytechnic, whatever the physics competitive examination, CSR, GATE, just TIFR, all the exams, you're able to crack. The same syllabus is there. So that's why you have to choose this course. It will help you in your future to learn the physics or to settle in the physics field also. Thank you so much. So this is the information I'm giving to you. Please utilize this. It is purely online mode. Wherever you may be, based on your fingerprint, through your mobile, you have to learn the physics. So this opportunity you have to utilize. So thank you so much. Please share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is your YouTube channel. You have to inform to your friends and spread this channel. Thank you so much.